Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely miracle, amazing pearl that your eye will not believe that like this pearl exists. Your eye will not believe that like this pearl exists. Completely miracle. This pearl is going to take your mind completely away from your body. Such amazing pearl. Now I am going to explain. It is called Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva face, Lord Shiva face lovebirds pearl. Lord Shiva face lovebirds pearl. See, it is a two pearl looking same like a bird. Bird head, bird body, and wings, everything perfect. This is also bird head, bird body, tail, bird tail, perfect. Perfectly like lovebirds, which I am shown in the picture. Wonderful, amazing. Now you see, I am going to show totally will be switch off and blow off your mind. You will unable to believe that really pearl exists like this. Such a wonder thing. Now I'm going to show. This is a bird shape. See what you are seeing. Can you believe it? It's a real face of Lord Shiva. See, real face of Lord Shiva. Amazingly wonderful. See, you can see the eye, nose, mouth, and you can see side the face trishul, which same in the picture, and forehead and hair of Lord Shiva. Totally the Lord Shiva. Totally unimaginable. I told it is hard to believe that really conch pearl exists like this. This both are conch pearl. See how beautiful eye, how beautiful nose, how perfect his mouth, and side trishul, 1, 2, 3 trishul, and forehead. In forehead you can see the third eye also, third eye. So here you can see clear third eye. This eye and here third eye, very clear third eye. See, clear third eye, forehead, and here hair, beautiful hair of Lord Shiva inside Gangadeva. Amazing. See, it is unbelievable. Still, I cannot believe it is a natural. Such a wonderful, amazing. Real Lord Shiva. Real exist of Lord Shiva. Beautiful. The eye, third eye, nose, mouth, and side trishul, forehead, and hair. Amazingly miracle. Easily you can see Lord Shiva. And when I turn back side, here you can see Lord Shiva and Agori form. It is bit very hard to recognize. It's a back side. Actually, directly you can see the Lord Shiva in the Agori form. It's amazing. See how easily Lord Shiva is coming out. Beautiful, extremely beautiful. See, very clear appearance of Lord Shiva. Unimaginably miracle. And I'll show under the light to prove its originality. Wonderful Lord. And the pearl is very shining. Now it is looking like lovebirds, both the pair. And keep like that. See how clear image of Lord Shiva is coming from. Clear image of Lord Shiva. Wonderful, wonderful, miraculous pearl. And this is another. This perfectly looks like a bird. Head to body and tail, like a perfect bird. Even sometimes keep like this. It is like Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. It is like Lord Shiva, Goddess Parvati. Amazing, amazing. Now I will show on the light to prove it originality. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Now I show this pearl under the light. Okay. See, it is showing the originality of the pearl. Internal structure. Internal also looks like you can see some bird organ like that. See, still you can see a Lord Shiva. See, under the light you can see crystal clear Lord Shiva. See, under the light you can still see very clear Lord Shiva. What unbelievable! See, third eye. Third eye is here, burning. Under the light, third eye is burning. And top Trishul. See, on the right also you can see still clear Lord Shiva. Amazing pearl, amazing, real Lord Shiva, real, totally unbelievable in our eyes. See, under light are very clear Lord Shiva. It shows the originality. And this another pearl, it also shows originality. What amazing collections! Lovebirds. See, crystal clear Lord Shiva. Is real appearance of Lord Shiva. Still more appearance under light with, see, burning third eye. See, third eye burning. Unbelievable. See, third eye burning. Unbelievable, unbelievable, unbelievable. Third eye is burning. Unbelievable. Burning third eye. See, unbelievable. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.